Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to continue the series on watercolor on canvas. I have two products that I'm going to test on these canvas. One is Daniel Smith transparent watercolor ground. Now I got transparent because I had a white canvas. No sense in getting white. I could also use this on rocks. I could use it on plastic, glass, black background, anything. And then I also got golden absorbent ground. So I wanted, it says white acrylic primer for water media. So I'm going to compare the two and see how they go. I have prepped these surfaces because they both said to take 24 to 48 hours to prep your area and allow them to dry. I did a video about a week or two ago about painting directly on the canvas, and I did one with gesso. If you're interested in watching that video, I'll link it in the iCards up there. So if you are interested to see how that reacted. So this one is watercolor ground. I just put the Daniel Smith watercolor ground from here down so you can see how it reacts on regular canvas compared to the watercolor ground. On this canvas, I just put golden absorbent ground. And this, for reference, is just a regular piece of canvas. So you remember, I don't think I'm going to use this because I'm just going to link you to the other video. And you can see the watercolor reacted directly onto the canvas in that other video. Okay, so here, for the sake of comparison, I'm going to use the same colors that I did last week, and we're just going to go right into it and start comparing. Okay, so there is French ultramarine blue, and that is directly on canvas. It just beads up. To me, that is not a good way to go. Okay, so here is the next one. It is on Daniel Smith watercolor ground. Oh, that's really nice. I hadn't tried it, so I didn't expect it. Now let's see if I can get it to flow. Yes, I can. Oh, that's a beautiful surface. Yeah, I wanted you to see my initial reaction to it because I had never used this. So I wanted to see my reaction the same time you guys did. I wanted a true reaction to this surface. I like that. Now I wonder if I can get it to flow out. Yeah, I can. I can get those loose edges. So I'm really pleased with that. Gosh, that is cool. All right, so let's do the same with absorbent ground. This is golden. So let's do the same over here. Well, you get sort of a similar effect. And that I can encourage flow and get some loose edges. So that's pretty nice. A little bit different, but nice. I can see each of these products would be good in my watercolor practice. I'm going to do over here again, put some on there and see how it does with encouraging flow. Yes. So I think both of these, they're a little different. The flow is a little bit different. And I think you might be able to sand this surface and get a little bit different result again, but I really like both of them. So this is my second in the series. I'm gonna try a couple other things on different surfaces. Stick around. Let me know if you like this video, subscribe to it, hit that thumbs up button, and click the notification bell and let me know what is your favorite surface to paint on. Whether it be watercolor or acrylic, let me know in the comments below. And see you next time. Bye, guys.